Hello, Elaine from Elaine's Creations here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Birds and Branches bundle from Stampin' Up. Here is the card right here, and it was inspired by a member of the Stampin' Up Artisan Design Team. It's a gorgeous card, and I love how she used the clouds die from the So Much Happy dies, the happy dies, to create a cloud background window. So here's the template that I created using the cloud dies. You can see I've used it a lot because I love it so much. And I'm going to use some balmy blue to create the clouds, and a blender brush or a makeup brush. And I'm going to grab some ink, and I'm going to start at the top, and I'm just going to brush on the ink just nice and lightly. I'm going to move it down and over to give it some variety, so it's just not the same clouds all the way down. That would be boring. That would look really boring. I'm going to shift it all the way over here, grab some more ink, and then just lightly brush it on. And then we'll do one more. Whoops, no, do not want it to move. Gotta hold on to it. No moving. You can tack down your piece with some temporary adhesive. That would probably be a good idea. All right, so now we've got this. We're going to adhere it directly to the card base with some Stampin' Seal. Wonderful adhesive. I love using it. It works great. So directly down, and then we'll just make sure it looks nice behind our little window there. And then to give it obviously some dimension and shadows, because it is a window, we're gonna add a lot of dimensionals. So bear with me, these dimensionals are kind of falling apart. I apologize. So it's gonna be, these are the old paper pumpkin dimensionals. So they're a little bit different than our usual paper pumpkin dimensionals, or our usual dimensionals, I should say. So I'm not sure why they're different, but they are. But they're just different. Ugh, as you can tell. So I have a little bit harder time getting them off the backing without the backing coming off with them, as you can see. But I like to use up everything, and they work, so I am going to continue to use them, even if it is a little bit more effort. So I'm using a lot of dimensionals, extra dimensionals, because I've got this circle cut out here and I want to support it. I don't want it to sag. So I'm gonna place that down in the middle. We've got it supported nicely. I could probably have added some right there. That would have been nice. These are too low. Probably right there would have been better, but it looks nice. So now I'm gonna add some of the leaves from the Pear Pizzazz. I forgot to show you the bundle. Here's the bundle, Birds and Branches and the Birds and More dies. So you've got these cute little birds that you can color in, and they've got the full bird or just the wing. You've got nest, branches, leaves. You've even got the little feet of the birds that you can stamp and cut out as well. You've got these extra birds that you can cut out, and then this is the die that I used to cut out the window. Super pretty die. As well as this lovely branch that I've used to cut out all these little pieces here, and an edgelet die that I've used in another card. You can check out my video on that card using this edgelet. So I'm going to kind of cut some different pieces, like this piece I want to use over here. So I'm just gonna cut this off here. I think that piece is gonna go right there. And then I can use that piece over there. No, I want the longer piece. I like the longer piece. So I'm gonna cut this longer piece. That's what goes there. Right, so now I'm gonna add some glue to the back of this. And then I have my 3 flowers. I've got my bird that I'm gonna use a dimensional. And I've got this little cutout that I've cut out using the Tasteful Labels dies. These are one of my favorite sets of dies because it's got all these different labels and they have stitching or embossing around them. I love them. They're just perfect for using on cards. So I'm going to stamp this in Early Espresso, and I'm gonna do thank you. And I got the thank you from the Blossoms in Bloom stamp set, also available in the annual catalog. Fits perfectly in this little label. And I'm gonna put that on dimensionals. So I'm gonna put the bird, the mini dimensional, and then I'm gonna put adhesive on these guys and on the branches. And then dimensionals on this one. So let's go ahead and we'll just keep using these. Those are pretty big, but they'll work. Right? Close this up before I stick my hand in it. All right, so now we're gonna put this lovely leaves over here. Stick that down nicely. And you can grab a block if you want to just use that to hold it down. And then we'll go ahead and take one of these flowers and place that up here. And then we'll take another one of these leaves. We'll have it come over here. Ah, my hands are sticky. It's hard to place it down when it's sticky. That's why I just use a block. And we'll just grab one of these flowers and place it, I guess we'll place it right there. And then we will do the thank you. About right there. Oop, I want to cover that up. I'm going to cover the ends of the leaves up. And then we'll add the bird. Tuck him under the thank you a little bit there. And we'll add the last flower down here. Tuck the flower up under there too. All right, so now the last thing is to add some of these beautiful champagne rhinestone jewels. So pretty. So let's see, I have my take your pick tool. So I'm just gonna use that to lift these rhinestones up. Gonna try. And then slide them on to the middle of each little flower. I can get this one. This one is not cooperating. And one more. Oh, I got 2. Whoops. Let's take this one back. Where did I get this from? Okay. So now I've got my pretty rhinestones on there. And that is the finished card. So pretty. So I'm offering a class that includes these 2 cards and these 2 cards where I used the edgelet and these 2 cards. So if you purchase the bundle, let me grab the bundle again. then you will receive this card kit for free. You just can go to my website, elainescreations.net, and use this August hostess code, and I will send you this card kit for free. If you already have the card kit, you can still use this hostess code, purchase $50, and send me an email. Let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it to you. I am also offering a special in August. Let me switch here, where I would like to share my July bonus coupons with you. I have so many that I would like to share them with you. So if you place a $50 order, I will give you one of my coupon codes for my bonus coupons. So take advantage of that. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed watching and that you've enjoyed these bird cards. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye.